Shapes of orbitals. First, s orbital. For s orbital, the azimuthal momentum quantum number L equals to 0. The s orbital is spherically symmetrical about the nucleus. As the energy levels increase, the electrons are located further from the nucleus, so the orbitals get bigger. The order of size is 1s is smaller than 2s, smaller than 3s, and so on, as shown in the diagram. An s orbital is spherically symmetrical, but the size and energy for 2s is larger than that of 1s. The second one is p orbital. All p orbitals have L equals to 1, with 3 possible values for m, that is -1, 0, +1. The p orbital is dumbbell shaped. There are 3 orientations of p orbitals. We have px, py, and pz. Px has 2 lobes oriented along the x-axis. Py has 2 lobes oriented along the y-axis, while pz has 2 lobes oriented along the y-axis. As n increases, the p orbitals get larger. The third one is d orbital. All d orbitals have L equals to 2, with 5 possible values for m, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. There are 5 orientations for d orbitals. 4 d orbitals have 4 lobes: dyz, dxy, dxz, and dx²y². For dyz, dxy, and dxz, the names tells you that these orbitals lie in yz plane, xy plane, and xz plane respectively. Each orbital has 4 lobes, and each of the lobes is pointing between 2 of the axes, not along them. For dx²y² orbital, the lobes are pointing along the x and y axis, not between them. For dz² orbital, one d orbital has 2 major lobes along z-axis and a donut-shaped girdle at the center.